Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I can now bring my own personal theater with me anywhere I go thanks to this QIAOLET mini projector. Besides being totally portable, we can definitely use this in our home too. My husband and I actually don't own a TV, but with this projector, we don't need one. Because I tend to be a little bit of a minimalist in my home decor style, there are a few bare white walls in our home, which makes it perfect for using this projector with. We really enjoy using it in our bedroom and having a fun and cozy movie night from home. A feature that I find really cool about this projector is that it doesn't have to be specifically mounted anywhere. It has settings that are really simple to change so that you can adjust the screen dimensions no matter what the angle of the projector is. We can put it anywhere and the screen dimensions will look correct. There are so many options for using this projector. We can use our personal streaming services, we can connect it to our laptop, or we can even project images or video from a memory card. It can be operated by using the touchpad right on the top of the projector, but it also comes with a really handy remote so we can navigate through it no matter where we are in the room. We are really excited to be able to transform just about any space now into our own personal theater thanks to this QIAOLET mini projector. But that's just my point of view.